If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Photoshop provides you with image adjustment tools that automatically adjust a photo's tone, contrast, and color. These automatic adjustments are very easy to use and easy to find as they all appear under the Image command in the menu bar. While these auto adjustments are easy to use, sometimes they don't give you the same result quality you can achieve with manual adjustments. Also, all the auto image adjustment commands found directly under the image command in the menu bar always produce destructive changes to a layer, even if you select a smart object layer. However, you can always try one of the auto adjustments and then undo it if you don't like it. To use any of the auto adjustment commands, select the layer to which to apply the auto adjustment in the Layers panel. Then select Image from the menu bar, and then click the auto adjustment to apply in the drop-down menu. Your choices are Auto Tone, Auto Contrast, and Auto Color. The Auto Tone command automatically clips the shadows and highlights of a photo to increase contrast and corrects color casts using an algorithm that enhances per channel contrast. The Auto Contrast command also automatically clips the shadows and highlights of a photo to increase contrast, but uses an algorithm that preserves color. The Auto Color command also automatically clips the shadows and highlights of a photo to increase contrast, but also applies a gray color to the midtones to neutralize them. Additionally, you can also apply many other types of image adjustments in Photoshop to a selected raster layer or smart object layer by selecting Image, Adjustments from the menu bar, and then selecting a specific adjustment to apply from the side menu of choices that appears. If you apply one of these adjustments to a selected raster or image layer, the adjustment is applied destructively by changing the pixels in the layer. Alternatively, if you apply one of these to a selected Smart Object layer, the adjustment is applied non-destructively to the Smart Object layer as a smart filter. We'll discuss many of these photo adjustments in the following lessons of this chapter. After selecting an adjustment to apply, a dialog box then often opens to let you manually change the adjustment settings. In many of these dialog boxes, you can click an Auto button to let Photoshop automatically change the adjustment settings before applying it. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.